Hey, hey, how y'all doing? New week, woo, woo. What do you really need to make money online? That's what I want to talk to you today really quick, okay? What it really takes to truly be successful and make money online. Because many people think they need all these things that they really don't need in order to make money online. So I wanted to clear that up for you a bit, okay? But first, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Wendy Rahilly. I've been in the online marketing space now for many years. Many of those years were trial and error. So I know it works. I also know what doesn't work. My passion is helping struggling entrepreneurs build a successful business online, create a monthly passive income so they can design an amazing lifestyle for themselves. Okay. So here's what you do not need to build a successful business and make money online. Okay, are you ready? Number one, you do not need to be sitting at your computer 8 hours a day. Okay, you can truly build a business working just 1 hour a day. You really can. Okay, now obviously, the more time that you have to dedicate to building an online income, the more income you're going to make, and the faster you're going to make it. um, but it's not necessary. Okay, you do not need to work full time online to make money online. Okay, you can still produce a 6 or 7 figure income working on just 1 hour a day online. Okay, it's just going to take you a little longer to do it, obviously. Okay, so number two, you do not need Facebook paid ads, solo ads, or any type of paid traffic. You can totally make money online with just organic traffic. Okay, I've never personally myself have never used paid ads to build my business. Okay, and make money online. Never. Everything I've ever done has always been organic. Okay. All right. Number three, you do not need to be an expert, a leader, or an authority figure. Contrary to what leaders say, obviously it does help. Once you do become an authority figure in the industry, it will help you truly skyrocket your income. But you do not need to be any of these things for you to make money online. Total newbies can make money online. Okay. Number four, you do not need to be popular. You do not need to have a huge following. Um, Again, these things are all great and they will definitely help, but you do not require these things for you to make money online. Number five, you don't need to know all the stuff. Okay. To provide value and make money online, all you need to do is just have the ability to learn from others who are already successful or who already know things that of value that you don't know yourself. And then turn around and just share this knowledge with other people. That's all you need. Okay? So that's what you don't need. Now let's talk about what you do need to make money online. All right. You need something that is legitimate. Okay? You need something that is simple and easy to follow. You need something that you can duplicate. Um, you need to be able to build momentum. You need to know what you're doing every day. So you need a proven strategy. You need mentorship and support, and you need to be coachable. Okay, you need to be able to follow directions. That is it. That is all you need to do. Need in order to begin making money online. It doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need all the shiny tools and equipment or top-notch cameras or big shiny ring lights. You don't need years of experience or a huge brand. You don't need any of this stuff. You can actually start today, brand new, and make money today, brand new. Okay, it's totally doable and has totally been done. So let me ask you, do I have your attention? Okay, if so, perfect. I want to just invite you to take a look at an opportunity that I'm doing that helps you make money online. So if any of you are looking for something, to make money online, but you haven't found something yet that you feel good about, or maybe if you have something that you're doing, but it's not quite working for you, or even if maybe you have something that is working for you, but you're looking to add on another income stream, I want to invite you to take a look at this, okay? It's this program that I'm using where you can potentially make daily $50, $150, or $300 cash payments, okay? It is 100% commissions that you earn. There's no middleman taking a cut. The money goes directly to you. It's not like a normal affiliate marketing product where you get a certain percentage of the money and the rest of it goes to the person who created the product. With this, you earn 100%. Okay. On top of that 100% commission, you're also going to be provided with 200 pre-written ads that you can copy and paste right onto social media. That's going to help you generate these daily payments. Plus, you get training on how to make money using Facebook, Instagram, Craigslist, YouTube, TikTok, and many other different avenues. There's also a 7-day action plan with the exact income producing activities that you can follow each day to start generating those daily $50, $150, and $300 cash payments. Okay? So if this sounds like something you'd like more information on, just drop me an info below, in quotes, info, in the comments, and I will send you a DM with that info on that opportunity. Okay? So that is it, folks. I hope that this helped. You do not need to be anything that you're already not, okay, to make money online. It doesn't have to be complicated. It's really it's simple. If you're coachable, you can follow directions and you can implement a proven strategy every day. You can totally make money online. Okay? So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this helps and you guys all have a great day.